Morning, everyone. This is the week before the 4th of July holiday, right? It's Monday. Huh? Friday. We're going to be closed Friday. I mean, you guys can have off. Me and April might come in. Depends on what the phone calls are. We might even open Saturday for half a day. If we get phone calls for work, not oil changes and tire flows, but for actual work. Anyway, this video is about PCV valves. So let me just show you. In the older days, a PCV valve was a lot larger than this. So right now, this is out of a Chevy Silverado or 1500. And you see how little that hole is? Let me give you some perspective. This is a drywall screw. Look how little that hole is. How much carbon and debris do you think takes to clog that one up?
Not that much.
I've also seen them where they have a bunch of little holes all the way around the face. How long do you think it takes for that to clog up when customers aren't advised to change their oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, or the customer themselves overextends it, where they have an oil consumption or oil burning problem, and then all that sticky stuff is suspended in the PCV system and clogs us up. So I will tell you probably one of the next most neglected things in an engine is the PCV system, and some of them are integrated into the valve cover, which is just a crappy design. In the old days, they were simple. You could just pop it right out, pop it right in. Some are, complex, some are not complex. But if I just put a list together of all the neglected things that we see here on a regular basis, it would be air filter, cabin air filter,
Probably be like
throttle body, PCV valve. Hold on, let me keep going. I'm not finished yet. Right? Air filter, cabin air filter, throttle body, PCV valve, tune-up, oil changes, GDI, fuel injection. So there you go. Is that 8?
I'm not sure.
8 major maintenance items neglected on your engine that you may or may not be aware of. Or you do, and you as the driver or the operator or mechanic who doesn't know any better, just, doesn't advise the customer for anything. 8. We're not even getting into transmission fluid, differentials, software updates. It's a machine, and it's a technology machine today more than ever. But yeah, PCV system. And how does the PCV system get clogged? Neglecting the maintenance, neglecting the oil changes, using the cheapest gasoline to put in your vehicle when you could every once in a while use top tier fuel, and that has detergents in it to clean it. Yeah, so how about that? I gave you 8. Look at that. 8 most neglected things we see here on an engine that are required for maintenance.